Hello there, and welcome to another Tickera tutorial video. In this video, we will be talking about check-in options available in Tickera. However, we won't be talking about the ways of ticket check-ins, as we have done this in one of the previous videos, which I will put the link for the description of this one. Instead, we will be focusing on the available options for ticket check-in limitations and use cases which these limitations are suitable for. Now, before we dive any deeper, I want to address one question that some of you might have. In this video, I will be showcasing these options using Tickera as a standalone. But you may or may not know that Tickera has integration with WooCommerce via our Bridge for WooCommerce add-on, in which case ticket types are created and sold as WooCommerce products. Rightfully so, you might be wondering if these features are available if you're using Tickera with WooCommerce. And the straight answer is clear yes. All the features I will be showing here today are also available when ticket types are created as WooCommerce products. With that out of the way, let's get back to the main topic of this video. So as always, we will start by creating event in Tickera. So let's navigate here, then click create new, and then let's name this event my awesome event, because why not? And let's publish it. Okay, let's now go to the ticket types area and click create new. We will name this regular ticket. It is tied to my awesome event, and let's price this ticket to, I don't know, $10. Now let's see what of the options do we have here in regards to check-ins. One of the oldest options available is check-ins per ticket. So if we enter here 1 or 2 or 3 or anything really, this means that tickets of this ticket type will be eligible for check-ins this number of times. Okay, but this will also mean that these tickets can be checked in at any point of time. Okay, in some scenarios this will suffice, but in others it will not. So let's see what other options do we have here. For example, right below this, we have limit check-ins on time basis, which is the newest option we have added quite recently. And albeit it being quite smallish and easily overlooked, it is very, very powerful option. So let's set this to yes and see what we have here. So this option will allow us to limit number of check-ins. For example, once per hour, day, week, or month. So let's say that you have an event that spans across multiple days, okay? Let's say that your event lasts for 3 days, and you want to make this ticket available for all 3 days, but you want to make available 1 check-in per day, okay? In this case, you can enter here 3, which means 3 check-ins will be in total available, and then enter here 1 and then per day. Okay, automatically when you publish this ticket and someone buys it, they will be able to check in their ticket 3 times once per day. Quite neat, right? This is one use case. Okay, let's see what other use cases do we have. For example, let's say that you are the owner of the gym or yoga studio or anything similar in that nature. So let's again create an event, and let's say this is my yoga studio. Okay, publish this event, navigate to ticket types, create new, and let's name this ticket 1 month membership. Okay, and let's price it to, I don't know, 50. Sounds about right? So given that this is 1 month membership, let's assume that a month has 30 days and that we want to allow our customers to check in 30 times during this month. Okay, and then let's limit their check-ins to once every day. But when will their ticket become eligible for check-ins? Now let's see another group of options here. This is called check-in availability. By default, it's set to open-ended, which means the ticket can be checked in at any point in time. But in this case, when we are dealing with monthly membership, we can simply set within the following time after the first check-in, okay? And then set to 30. What will this do? Well, this will start counting eligibility of this ticket after first check-in. So whenever a customer checks in their ticket first time, 30 days after that, their ticket will remain valid. Another thing you can do is to use this option within the following time after order is placed, in which case we can also set 30 days, but instead of starting counting eligibility of the ticket once the customer checks in their ticket first time, it will start counting eligibility once the customer purchased their ticket, okay? So to conclude, a monthly membership will have 30 check-ins once per day, and it will begin eligibility once the customer purchased their ticket, okay? So let's take another example. Let's say that you have a sports event that runs the whole season, okay? So let's create sports event and publish it. And then go to ticket types, create new, tie it to sports event, and let's name this ticket seasonal ticket. All right. What options do we have here now? Let's say that your sports event takes place once every week, okay? And that it runs for a whole year. So given that there are 52 weeks in 1 year, let's limit number of check-ins to 52. Then limit check-ins on time basis once every week. And then limit check-ins during selected date range. Let's say that your season starts on 20th of January 2023 and ends on 20th of January 2024. Okay, quite easy, isn't it? So in a nutshell, customers who purchase a seasonal ticket will be able to check in their ticket 52 times, once per week, and their ticket will be eligible from 20th of January 2023 to 20th of January 2024. So as you can see from these examples, there is really wide range of scenarios that you can cover with these check-in limitations. So whether it is a seasonal ticket or a ticket that should be available for a couple of days of multi-day event, or you own yoga or gym studio or something like that where you want to sell membership tickets, or anything really, parking lots, why not, and similar stuff, you can do all of that using just Tickera. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some ideas. And if you employed something like this, please feel free to contact us and tell us all about it. Till the next time, bye bye.